What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. This video I want to solve 12 sine squared theta minus 13 sine theta plus 3 equals to 0, and theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically solve this equation. That's the quadratic equation. Gonna have a equals to 12, b equals to negative 13, and c equals to 3. So I use the quadratic formula. That's gonna be 13 plus minus negative 13 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 12 times 3 divided by 2 times 12. That's gonna make it 13 plus minus 169 minus 4 times 12 times 3, that's 144. 2 times 12 is going to be 24. So that's going to be 13 plus minus square root of 169 minus 44 is going to be 25 over 24. So it's going to be 13 plus minus 5 over 24. So we have 13 plus 5 over 24. 13 minus 5 over 24. So that's going to be 18 over 24, and here we have 8 over 24. That's going to be 3 over 4 or 0.75, and here 8 over 24 is going to be 1 over 3. So basically we can write it as sine theta minus 3 over 4 times sine theta minus 1 over 3 equals to 0, or you can say sine theta equals to 3 over 4 and sine theta equals to 1 over 3. Then I need to use arc tan, or inverse of sine. So it's going to be arc sine or inverse of sine of 3 over 4, and here we have the same thing for 1 over 3. So sine 3 over 4, that's going to give me 48 degrees. That's in quadrant 1. We know in quadrant 2 sine is positive as well, so it's going to be 180 minus 48 approximately is going to be 132. This one is arc sine or inverse of sine of 1 over 3. That's going to give me 19 degrees, or 180 minus 19 is going to be 161 degrees. So these are going to be the answers. So we have theta equals to 19, 48, 132, 161 degrees. So it's going to be these 4 answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and other topics in math, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.